We'll guide you through how to download big files and folders from Google Drive without zipping them. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Google Drive, and I've got a big folder here I wish to go and get onto my computer. You may have a file, it doesn't matter, but I don't want to have to go and zip it. So to go and get started with this on Drive, press the gear or cog icon in the top right and press Get Drive for Desktop. You're going to be brought here, we can press download drive for desktop like so, and it should download. Open up your file explorer and we can then find the setup file. Go and double click it, we can now go and install it. Just go and be patient while it downloads. It's now successfully installed, and what you can do is go and press launch like so. It's now going to be open, and what you can do is go to the left on your computer and press this PC, and you should then be able to go and see your Google Drive. What you can do is go and double click on it, and then you can come into My Drive, and you're going to go and see your files and folders here. So you can go and find the file or folder you're looking for. In this case, it's this one here for me. And then what we can do is go and right click on it. You can see it's 4 gigabytes. I can go and press copy or press Control and C, and then come to on my computer where I want it. Then I'll right click here and I'll go and paste it. You'll go and see it's now transferring. That's it, just go and wait for this to run through.